Alright, hello everybody. Today we're playing a new game called Garten of Banban. I've seen a lot of people play this, but I want to play it because it's really cool. The devs are the Eutharic Bros. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. But we're playing Garten of Banban. I already know about this game. So you go into kindergarten and find your lost child. But you're not gonna hear the sounds and jump scares because I'm going to be having headphones on. So let's jump into it. New game. Here we go. I hear like children. For a parent looking for their missing child, delicate matter. Okay. This is creepy. I hear kids. I'm looking if anything changed. Oh, the door opened. Look at that guy. His name was Captain Fiddles. Why is there blood right there? It's like blood. Okay, now it just got dark. That's scary. Okay. I'm just wondering if I could play on the controller. Yes! Oh, yay. Well, this is cool. E to interact with objects. This is cool. Let's read this stuff. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Hello, Jumbo Josh. We're very jumbo. I'm looking through there. Okay, that's just creepy. Alright, where are we gonna go? Don't we need the key card right here? Yeah. You gotta press E. Alright, we got it. I'm gonna look around here. Chair. 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 Can I jump? Wee. 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 Yay, I'm on top. Too bad I can't mess with the computers. Alright, where do we go? Oh, right here. Alright, let's see. What's in here? Oh, drone. Okay, let's get the thingy. Alright, we got this. Drone. Drone. Remote requires 2 batteries. Alright, where are we gonna find batteries? Oh, wait, over here. Oh, here's one. Where's the other one? Oh, here it is. There's a vending machine. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot of people. Okay. Oh, it's the drone! We'll name you Jeremy. Wait, I thought I saw something in here. Oh, yeah. It's a note. What does it say? Dear Mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is my only chance to make Charlie like me. Me, monster, me, Charlie. Me, Charlie, monster. That's funny. Okay. I'm assuming you gotta click the buttons here. Alright. Click it. Click the button. Alright, here we go. Now that. Click it. Alright, well, here we go. What is that thing? Oh yeah, it's a pillow bird. Okay. I already don't like this. I don't like this. Can I mess with this thing? Oh, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's pretty big. What's this, though? The end is here. Not me. Where's my drone? Oh, here it is. I just had to do the thingy. Wait, we do it from here. I get it. Yeah. So now, Mr. Drone, Mr. Jeremy, can you click that button? Mr. Jeremy. Oh. Oh. What do we get? What do we do? Jeremy, what do we do? Jeremy the drone. Okay, do we break this now? Is it that? Is that what we have to do? Now do we click this? Jeremy, come on, you can do it, Jeremy. No. Okay, what do we do here? I know we gotta go to opila bird. Alright, hello, opila bird. Oh, there's another button. Let's see. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your grand prize. Look at the fingerprints. Jeremy, I meant. Here you are. Go attack Opila bird. I don't like her. She's alive, and now she's pretending to be a statue. Alright, let's go collect the eggs. Oh, look, there's a piece of fur right there. Oh, sorry, Darren. I was making you come and get it. Oh, hello, Darren. You are very close. Wait. Can I jump on top? Let's see. Right. Wee. Can I jump on top? Wee. Yay. Oh, I can't. Ah, dang it. Alright. Let's keep looking for the eggs. It's like an Easter egg hunt. Here's another one. There. Oh, why is the slide floating? Looks like it's floating. Do we have to click this button? Darren? I mean, Jeremy? Why do I keep calling him Darren? Know why, guys? Because I watch Dak Blake videos. And his drone's name is Darren. Wait, what did that do? What did that do? Wait, if I press shift, does it, oh, nothing. Does it do anything here? Oh, wait, were we supposed to use this? No, yeah, I didn't want to use that because I don't think I had the key. Oh, tables. Sorry if I'm making you guys silly. Oh, Banban says sharing is caring, and your your pancreas are mine. Okay, that's weird. Banban. I'm watching you, opila bird. Oh! This activated this. So now we can press this button. Jeremy, press the button. And now, I believe we can do this button. Nope. These buttons are weird. We'll keep looking for the eggs. Oh, here's one. Easter egg hunts and games be like, it's not letting me get it. Here we go. Do we have all the eggs? Oh, there's one right here. Think we have all of them? Wait. The one right here. But like, okay. But what are we supposed to do over here? Oh, we can sprint. But what are we supposed to do here? We don't have this. Oh, good. Teleport my drone here. Now, why can't you hit this? No. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Like, this is... Aren't we supposed to get something in here? I see something in there. You know what? I'll just forget about it. Come on, Jeremy. Jeremy, come on. Alright. Now I'm going to feed a bird eggs. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm missing an egg. I am missing an egg. Oh, note. What's this say? Bring a friend day stickers. Caution, peel slowly. Okay. I keep clicking the drone button. Let's see. Where's this last egg? See these things? Like, that activated that button. What if I find more of them? Bro, where's this last egg? I finally found it. Oh, how do I click? Yeah, Darren. Attack this evil bird. Darren. Right, Darren. Attack the bird. Darren. Attack the bird. I don't like the bird. Haha. Right, last egg. Oh. Okay. Does this have bird spit on it? Right, now we can do this. This yellow one. Okay, so now we do this. Oh. Drone. Jeremy. Jeremy. Alright. Click the button. Click it. Why can't I just click the button with my bare hands? Now, what is this? Oh, doesn't this open? Okay. Oh, so we get the hammer to undo the oh, wait. Another one of these. Distraction at 1. What? This is weird. Just getting the hammer and I'm going. It's kind of like Poppy Playtime because, like, when you come, like, it stays still. But when you come back, it, like, it's not there. Like that. Alright, let's do this. Now let's go in here. Move out of the way. There we go. I'm watching you, opila bird. Press space to jump. Okay, let's go. Alright, guys, my brother is gonna play. Oh, look at the bloody footprints from opila. Alright, now,
can you stop moving?
Alright,
can you stop moving?
Go over here, yeah. Alright, no, you can't do it like this. You gotta use the mouse.
But you can.
Alright, no, don't use that. You gotta do this. This, click it. Oh, you gotta click E. What do we do? Click emergency spot? What? Oh, this. This thing.
Yeah, you gotta click that.
Okay, this.
Alright.
Just click this. Alright, now we can go press this. Oh, there's a little chair.
Comes.
Yeah, the elevator chair thing. Alright, we gotta press jump. A on the controller. Right, now we do this. E. Here we go, we're going for a ride. Opila Bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile.
Alright.
Oh, the footprints.
Yeah, okay.
There's so
I need you
many. Alright. Like, you don't need to use the keyboard. Alright, this part is scary. You can't
do
press
anything?
that because we already did it on the other side. All right, what color am I? Let's see if you can do this. Banban. What color is Banban? What? Oh, you're doing Jumbo Josh. What color are they? You gotta pick the color. You keep pressing them for a color.
Oh. How do I stop?
It just goes repeatingly. What color is Jumbo Josh? It repeats.
No, it's that one, right?
No. Yeah.
That one?
Yeah. Now try and guess their color. What's opila bird?
That one?
Yep. Well, I don't want you to check. I don't want to answer.
That one?
You'll see once you confirm it. Well, if you get all of them right, then it'll happen. Stinger Flynn. Yeah. That. She is white.
Not that one.
She's white.
I know.
Oh, you got it. The door opened behind you. Oh, and you grabbed the key. Wait, there's a note before
I
you
know.
grab the note. Don't grab it, cause that makes opila bird come. All right.
How do I?
E.
Yeah.
I want.
Miss Mason was the boarding pass.
Yeah. I knew about the broadcast. All right, you gotta do this quick. I'll press the shift. Oh, here comes opila bird. Oh, look. Oh, that's
Where do I
so
click
scary.
it? Right
You
here?
gotta go over. No. You don't click that. You go over here. Now you gotta go up the ramp quick. Oh, that's creepy.
I don't like that. What do I do?
How did she not jump scare you? You gotta do your drone there. Oh, you were supposed
How do
to
I
click
get on my
that.
drone?
You were supposed to click that. Oh, just let her kill you. You want to see the jump scare, right?
No.
Just let her kill you because you
Goodbye.
did something wrong. You just goodbye. You fell into the pit. All right, guys, we're doing this. There's opila bird. How did she not jump scare me? Go. Quick. I don't like opila bird. Go. Go. Emergency stop. E. Bye. Bye, opila bird. Okay, we kind of killed her, but she's still alive. Oof. We kind of beat it. That was the chase scene. The lights didn't even come on. I just beat it super quick because I didn't want to deal with that. Alright, let's go to the end now. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Oh. Sorry about that. Captain Fiddle says, ooga booga, booga ooga. Okay. Wait. Guys, I forgot. Alright, guys, here's the end. Sorry if you see my hand in front of the screen. Whoa. Another note. Let's see. Boarding pass. Oh, here's the boarding pass. Oh, hi, Jeremy. What do I do here? What do I do? Oh. Something right here. What did this do? Oh. I know what's gonna happen. Oh. Come on. Oh, we gotta do this. Come on, Jeremy. Here we go. Oh, this too. How many of these key card things do we have to? Ooh. Oh, invisible wall. Darren, how are you there? We're not supposed to be there. It's an invisible wall. Oh, here comes the lift. The elevator. Ooh. Alright, here we go. We're gonna escape this kindergarten. Actually, we don't actually escape, though. What happens if we fall? We jumped. Close the doors. We're going down, Darren. We're going down. Or Jeremy. How many times have I said Darren? Alright, here we go. Ooh, that's scary. Ooh, oh, I hear noises. Oh, what is that growl? Whoa, why is it alarm? Why is there alarm? Oh. Hand. Hand. Ooh. Hello. Mr. Jumbo Josh, why is there blood on your hand? Ooh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hello? Oh, it's the 2 party hats for Banban. Now this one's already out. Okay, I enjoyed that video with you guys. But, hope you enjoyed. See you next video. Thank you for watching me playing Garten of Banban.